Firmware relay update. At the beginning of the installation, the new version of the software, the user can update the firmware relay so that the new hardware code on the microprocessor is sent. First, double-click on Connection Status to open Preferences window and then click on Update Firmware while the software is connected to the relay. Then by entering the password and clicking on OK option, the relay is placed in bootloader mode and the new firmware is received. After getting the new firmware, relay is turned on and off. This can also be done by using the firmware update option in the device menu. Relay modes. Generally, the software identifies the relay with 3 modes and displays in the Preferences window. Main mode. When the software is connected to the relay and the relay is fully raised, main mode is displayed. Bootloader mode. When the software is connected to the relay and the relay is ready to get to the new firmware from the software, bootloader mode is displayed. Unknown. When the software is not connected to the relay or no packet is received from the relay, unknown is displayed. Creating bootloader mode manually. When the relay doesn't come up for any reason or firmware has a problem, it is possible to manually place the relay in bootloader mode. To do this, the relay must first be turned off. When it's turned on, boot button must be pressed on the CPU card marked with the letter B and kept for 3 seconds after power is connected. This puts the relay in bootloader mode and makes it ready to get the new firmware from the software. Then click on Firmware Update option in the Preferences window to send the new firmware on the relay.